chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. For those of y'all that have not been watching my channels, yesterday it was a year since I lost my husband. He was in an accident, fell asleep. Anyways, I don't want to get into it. So it's been really hard lately. And I didn't know if I was going to get a video out Sunday or not. Today's still Saturday, but I'm uploading this tomorrow. Anyways, my husband let me sleep in today, and I woke up, and I was like, you know, I want to film for y'all. I love what I do, and when I'm sitting down filming, I feel like I'm talking to y'all, and it really helps me. And doing makeup is very relaxing for me. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm one of those, I like to keep my word. If I tell you I'm gonna have a video up every Thursday and Sunday, I want to do my best to have a video up every Thursday and Sunday. But I got up earlier, took my shower, I did my hair, like my hair was down, it was straight and everything. I did my makeup, or I filmed for y'all, I did my makeup, showing y'all some new products from my haul video that I filmed. And I realized after I literally filmed 3 videos that my mic had stopped working. After that, I had some stuff I had to do, so I left. I came home, I took my makeup off, washed my face, and sat down to film again. And I filmed the, you know, getting everything on my face, and went and checked, and once again the mic's, you know, cut off about a minute in. So here I am, and I'm just gonna film a look without the mic using the Nubian Juvia'S palette. I will film another video showing you all the makeup products that I used on my face, because this is officially my new favorite makeup right now. Let's just go ahead and get started. And y'all, that was just the devil tempting me, telling me to just give up. I ain't gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Alright, now we're gonna start off by going in with that shade right there. Anyways, we're just gonna pop that in our crease. Now I'm putting that in my crease, and I am blending that makeup, or that color, up some. Oh, and like I said a while ago, but y'all never hear it, I've officially lost 7 pounds just doing the Team Me Blends detox. And I have not I have not been to the gym since I started. So just doing protein shake for breakfast, eating lunch, and then a protein shake for supper. And yes, I've lost 7 pounds in a little over 2 weeks. And I do have the link down below, and you can use code JessieLynn for 15% off. This video is not sponsored. So to make sure that I get this video up for y'all tomorrow, I will be up all night editing this video. So I hope y'all know how much I love y'all. I'm gonna take a little bit smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with that shade right there and put that in my outer corner. Like, I'm gonna put it down here on my lid in the outer corner. And then blend. And once I've blended it some, I'll start blending it over in the crease a little bit. But I don't want too much of that color going in the crease. I love these shades, y'all. They blend out so easily. Now I'm gonna get another smaller brush and go in with that really dark shade in the corner, and I'm very, very lightly gonna put some of that in that outer corner just to deepen it up a smidge more. And then I'm just going to get a big fluffy brush and blend that out. I want to make sure that I keep the color in the V, but make sure those edges are good and blended out and real soft. Just to give you all a heads up, I'm going out of town Thursday, and I'm so excited. And I won't be coming home till Sunday, so my video Thursday will be very early upload, and my video Sunday will be a late upload, but I promise I will get those up. Anyways, I love this palette, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. These shades are like so easy to work with, and they blend out so easily. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna go in with that shade right there. I'm gonna put that up here and highlight my brow bone with that. I just want to make sure it's all good and blended. Alright, now I'm gonna get like this flat brush, and I'm gonna spray it real good, and then I'm gonna go in with that shade right there, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I mean, could you imagine like putting concealer under this first, or using your finger? I mean, even just doing this, like, it's so pigmented. Alright, now I'm just gonna kind of blend around the edges a little bit, and voila! I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup real quick off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, this is the final look with the rest of my makeup put on. I really love the way the eye look turned out. I really love this palette. If you've never tried their palettes out before, I at least recommend this one. It's awesome. Comment down below, let me know if you have any of their palettes. But whenever I film a video for y'all, showing y'all what makeup products I'm using, since I'm fixing to just take this off, I am using just a Buxom, this is the Buxom Full On Lip Cream in the shade Dolly. This will be the only thing I'm going to do different, because I will be using a matte liquid lipstick whenever I film tomorrow or Monday, whenever I film. But anyways, that is it for this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Toodles!